Hello, boys and girls in the blue room. It's Inga. Nice to see you today. I have so many favorite stories, so here's another one of my favorites to share with you. This one is about patterning. Patterning is making sentences in math, repeating sentences. Let's take a peek and learn all about it. This is called Beep Beep Vroom Vroom by Stuart J Murphy. I looked to see if I could find the same color cars to tell our story with. Does it look like I did a good job? I see yellow cars, I see blue cars, and I see red cars. Looks just about the same, doesn't it? I think we're all ready to get started. Beep Beep Vroom Vroom by Stuart J Murphy. There is my little friend Molly playing with cars. Looks like she likes playing with cars. Do you like playing with cars? Beep beep honked the yellow cars. Vroom vroom zoomed the red cars. And crash crash banged the blue cars. And there they go. Cars are fun, said Kevin, for big kids to play with. I like playing with cars, said Molly. You're too little to play with my cars, said Kevin. Kevin, called Mom. It's your turn to set the table. Aw, Mom, said Kevin. He carefully lined all his cars up on a shelf, just so. Look what he's doing. He's making a pattern, boys and girls. When I come back, said Kevin to Molly, I want to see my cars just the way I left them. So look, red, blue, yellow. See that? Red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow. That is an ABC pattern. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C pattern. What do you think is going to happen when Kevin leaves the room? Whoops. Molly waited until Kevin went downstairs. Then, vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. And crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Oh, my goodness. What a mess. She looks happy about that, doesn't she? Dad heard lots of vrooming, crashing, and banging. Molly, said Dad, you know you shouldn't play with Kevin's cars unless you ask. Let's put them right back the way they were before he comes back. Kevin always lines his cars up in a special way. Molly's lining them up in a special way at the moment. Does that look, whoops. Does that look like the way he had it before, boys and girls? Can you remember the pattern from before? We'll check it out. These are two of the same color in a row. Blue, blue, yellow, yellow, red, red. A, A, B, B, C, C. A, A, B, B, C, C. Let's compare it to the one before. Does that look the same? No, there was only one in it instead of two in a row of the same color. Very different, but very tricky. Molly waited till Dad went downstairs, and then crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars, and vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. She gets to do it again. This time Mom heard all the crashing, beeping, and vrooming. Oh, Molly, Mom said, you've made a big mess of Kevin's cars. Can you help me put them back just the way he had them? Whoa. Let's try that pattern. Does that look like the way he had them before? This is even a trickier pattern. Sometimes I have to say it to myself. Red, red, yellow. Blue, blue, yellow. Red, red, yellow, blue, blue, yellow. Red, red, yellow, blue, blue, yellow. Red, red, yellow, blue, blue, yellow. That is an AAB CCB pattern. Very tricky. She's really good at playing with cars. Molly waited until Mom went downstairs, and what do you think happened? Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Zoom, zoom went the red cars, and crash, crash banged the blue cars. All again. Now Digger heard the beeping, vrooming, and crashing. Who do you think Digger is? Check out the picture. You're right, it's the dog. Woof, woof. Digger gave Molly lots of kisses, and he wagged his tail a little too much. What a mess it made. Oh, dear. Molly called Kevin from the kitchen. You'd better not be playing with my cars. I'm coming upstairs. Oh, no, she better hurry up and put them back the way they were. Oh, dear. Quick, Molly, quick, get it done before he comes upstairs. Not quite right yet. Let's see. Whoops. She could hear Kevin coming closer and closer. Molly looked at the cars. They didn't look quite right. Let's check it out and compare it to the one in the beginning. It's an ABC pattern for sure. But what color did he start with here? Red. Is this red to start with? No. She's got to switch this quickly, doesn't she? Whoa, is she going to get it done in time before Kevin comes back? Oh, Molly put the cars back on the shelf very fast. When Kevin walked in the door, he found his cars just the way he'd left them. Red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, A, B, C, A, B, C. Just in the nick of time. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. And crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Maybe someday you'll be old enough to play with cars, said Kevin to his sister Molly. Do you think she's old enough? I do. She did a great job making those patterns. Surprise, Molly said. Mom, she was standing in the doorway. We were going to wait until your birthday to give you these, but we think you're old enough to have them now. Molly smiled at the shiny new cars. Look. There's a box of cars. And how many colors are there? Let's see. Green, purple, green, purple, green, purple. It's an A-B pattern of 1, 2 colors of cars. That's right. Does she look happy about that? She sure does. Molly smiled at the cars. And then beep, beep, honked the green cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the purple cars. And crash, crash, they went. The end. Beep, beep, vroom, vroom by Stuart J Murphy. Boys and girls, there is so many different things that you can use to make patterns in the world. You can make patterns inside with your toys. You could use stuffies. You could use Legos. You could do it by color. You could do it by shape. You could do it in all different ways. And you could also do it outside. You could use rocks and pine cones. You could use pine cones and acorns. You could use pine cones, acorns, and rocks to make an ABC pattern. The potentials are endless. I thought, because you know how much I like my contour blocks, I could try it with contour blocks. So you can even do it with a number. The number 1, the number 2, the number 1, and the number 2. That, boys and girls, makes an A, B pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2. A, B, A, B. But you could also make an A, B, 2, 1, 1, 2 pattern. Pretty tricky, isn't it? Didn't know you could do that with Contour blocks. You can do just about anything with Contour blocks. I can't wait to see what kind of patterns you can make, boys and girls. Have so much fun exploring with math in a whole new way. Ta-ta for now.